Hello.
Hello, Chair.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Oh, why your good morning is so heavy?
Yeah, I'm lazy.
You're lazy because yesterday was off, right?
Yeah,
Yesterday was holiday, so you got lazy right now, right?
yeah.
Okay, reach
I
out.
woke up to all again.
Hey,
8:30.
if you join campus, you have to get up early as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
When you are going to join the campus?
but after when we are on campus, I think it's more active, not like this.
Oh,
Because now it's online, so we're lazy. Too much.
ah, okay. So I think we should try like online shopping, and then while we are speaking, there should be a background music and blah 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 like that, right? Like yeah, some of the ladies before they start their online shopping, right? They start with the music and they are dancing, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
So it doesn't matter, no problem. So who will dance for us?
No.
We'll start with dancing and
Indra.
music.
Indra. It's Indra.
Hi, Indra. Hello, Indra. Shall we start with the music and dancing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good. So you have to turn on your camera and that you have to
No, Molly.
going to see your dancing.
Just kidding. Oh my.
Mhm. Hello, Miasu.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Okay. Why your voice is too slow? Too low?
Hello.
Yes. Are you joining with the headphone or someone else?
Yeah, I have headphones on.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I think I didn't give you any homework last week, right?
Yeah, kind
Because we are going to start new book this week. Am I correct?
Yes.
of. Yeah,
Okay. So, which chapter are you running?
better one.
Did you?
First chapter. You mean the book 9, right? Chapter
Yes. Checkpoint 9.
9 is teacher to the right now it's like one easy. 1D is finished 1D.
Unit 1, right?
Yeah, you know one.
Oh, she's trying unit 1. So let me check.
And then I think 2 will be
I think we should go to 2. To the 2.
okay. More than living.
Yep. More than 11. I think this chapter is very okay for you. Hello, Kang Kantondo. Good morning.
Morning.
Yes. Uh, what happened to Sun yesterday? Sun was very active. Okay, so now let's go to Unit 2, Model 11. Okay, so let's start from activity. Okay, so before we start to the unit, and let's see which one we are going to learn for this unit, right? You are going to learn argumentative and persuasive writing in this unit, and then you will look at ways of making language effective and empathic, and the use of motor verbs, and practice paraphrasing, summarizing, and identifying topic sentence. And then you will argue a case, compare poems, and you have to write an argument composition as well. Okay. So before we go to text 2A, let's consider this aspect of modern life. Number one, what kind of food do you eat and what do you think about it? And B, what kind of place do you live in and what do you think about it? And to What do you think are the most concerning issues about your life today? Okay, so who is going to start first? Suzanne? Hello, Suzanne, can you hear me?
Sure, did you call me?
Yes, I did.
Oh, sorry, teacher. I was taking my food for breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
So how about okay? How about now?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm back.
Hmm. So what kind of food do you eat and what do you think about it?
I eat bread.
What do you think about it?
Bread. Great.
Hmm.
Cool.
Okay. So about Rachel?
Food. It's
I mean,
um. We how to say it? We just eat the rice. I guess.
Mm.
Nice.
So you think nice?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
mostly teacher. I think most of the people like to eat like junk food, right? So I might be eat. I also eat like junk food, but these days I have to reduce some of them. So
Yes.
it's gain weight,
Mm.
especially
Yeah,
boys.
that's just great. You need to be careful that one.
Yeah.
So how about Andre? What
Oh,
place do you live in?
what place? So
What kind of place do you live in?
the silent place.
Oh, really? The silent place?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, this area is really silent.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, and
And what do
also
you?
the
Yeah.
people are friendly.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
You've got a good society, right?
yeah,
The people are very friendly,
yeah.
right?
Yeah. Also me, I'm also friendly, right?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. We can feel the way you speak. Okay. So how about Yasu? What kind of place do you live in and what do you think about it?
Uh, I live in an apartment with a friendly neighborhood.
Mm,
It's a nice place.
okay, good. So number C, let's discuss about number C. What do you think are the most concerning issues about life today? Rachel,
Yeah. I
yeah,
think
what do you think are the most concerning issues about life today?
like climate changing
Mm,
age and also like some maybe wars or like those.
okay, yes. Ah, here is Emery, I think.
Yeah. Yes.
Good morning, Emery. Are you awake now?
Yeah, I'm already waking up.
Uh-huh. And a bit sleepy, I think.
I'm not sleepy. I'm just thinking about some other stuffs.
Uh-huh. Okay. So now we are going to checkpoint 9, page number 15, activities. So, Susan, how about your idea? What do you think are the most concerning issues about life today?
Mm, I don't know because
Oh, mm.
I because like there's so many problems and then I don't really sure about that.
Okay. The most concerning issue about life, about your life is eating, sleeping, and then studying. That's it, right?
Yeah, and also, Jeff, what does it mean to it? Like concerning issue, what does it mean?
Concerning here means I think Rachel can explain that. Hello, Rachel, can you explain about that one?
Eh,
So, what does it mean concerning issue?
how do I explain that?
You can translate in another similar meaning.
Um, like the
Related?
related
Hmm.
the issues related to life.
Yes. Susan, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So Indra, how about you? What do you
Um,
think concerning? Yeah.
I
Studying,
spent
eating,
yeah,
living.
I spent my life with so many foods and eating and sleeping
Uh-huh.
and
So,
watching movies. That's all.
yeah, watching movies, right?
Sometimes studying.
Thanks God. Thanks to hear that.
Welcome.
So how about Yasu?
The exam results.
The exam results is the most concerned issue about your life?
Yeah.
Oh, why? It's really stressful to you?
No, I just did really bad
Oh.
the last time I did an exam because the
Mm.
first time I did it, I failed, and the second time I did really bad.
Mm. So, which subject make you upset?
It's like history of Finland.
Mm-hmm.
It's like about the Cold War, and I the exam is like it's the we have to do it on the proctored platform,
Mm.
and then I cheated a little, and I just hope I don't get caught.
Okay. But you know, when you, I'm not sure for you. You know, for me, when I was young, when I learned history, I just, I just note down the main points, right? I just note down the main points. Did I give you, how to make notes? No.
Yeah, teacher, I
No.
know how to make notes, but it's like also in the another language, so
Ah. So you mean that another language mean are you learning history with the Chinese or Japanese?
no, the Finnish language.
Oh. So but whatever, you try your best, right? That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then how about Emery?
My main passion in life issues also exam results are part of them. And my future, I always think about my future.
Yep.
And well, daily concerning issue is my meal.
Okay. So now let's go to test 2A. A lot of junk, right? Here I think this topic is really interesting. So let's see. Okay, I think I better give you a time to read this article first, right? And after that, let's go to the question on 16.
How many minutes?
Hmm. Yeah, I'll give you the time, and if you're done, let me know. That's it. That would be better, right?
Okay.
Well, yeah, one thing I would like to suggest you is that, while you're reading the text, because this text is a little not easier like previous one. That's why when you would see some new vocabulary, right, at the time, try to guess it yourself first, and try to reread again and again, and after that, guess the meaning of guess the meaning of that vocabulary. And if you can't afford it, okay, you better look for it in the dictionary. Okay, so try to guess the meaning first. Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
good. Let me know if you're done, right? Hello,刚刚知道 and Swan. Good morning. Hello, Swan. 刚刚知道. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now your friends are reading a lot of Jiang on page number 15.
Okay.
Yes. Let me know if you're in.
Sure, I have reading that one, but I would like to read again for the next
Yes,
time.
that's great.
Yeah. Sure, done.
Okay, so how about others? Hello, Rachel, are you there? Indra,
Yeah.
yes, too. Agantoto.
Yeah.
Okay, Swan and Emery. Okay, so I believe you have already done, right? And now let's go to page number 16, number 2. You have to work with the partner to summarize the news article in text 2A. Actually, I wanna try for breakout rooms. I think I am not a host yet. That's why I cannot do it, right? Okay, so what we can do is right now is you have to reread it again, and after that you have to think about some of the heading, right? The short heading to summarize its content. Number 8, let's do page number 16, number 2A. You have to give each of the 4 paragraphs an appropriate short heading to summarize its content, right? So you have to reread the paragraph, and after that, you better give the appropriate short heading to summarize each paragraph. Is it okay?
Teacher, yes, but like the ideas were not same, right?
Yeah, but whatever it is, we can discuss this later. But if
Okay.
even though your idea is not the same, if the how shall I say the point is similar, we can accept it.
But teacher, you know host.
That's why only just you have to about it yourself. I have already contacted Gusalai, and then Salai didn't pick up the phone. That's why I have to contact them again, right? So before I could, you better read it yourself and then give the appropriate subheading for each paragraph. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Tisha,
Yep.
can you like give us an example? Like I try to do it, but I don't really know.
Okay. So let's try number one. Passage one first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's read. One creature ravages another treasures. Nature has its own ways of clean up, seagull, cockroach, and rodents and flies carry off their spoils. And scavenging bacteria slowly break down even the hardest plastics. Human beings, unfortunately, are less dedicated to clearing up their waste. Okay, so after reading that passage, what do you understand?
Another way, like is the animals are use the the rubbish that we throw away, and they use and then they reduce the some of the like that. But I don't know how it is titled.
Yeah, okay. If you know the, I just want to know, what will be the, how should I say, how do you understand the passage? That's it. Okay, so Rachel, how about you? After reading that passage, what's your idea? What does that passage say?
Like yeah, as Susan mentioned, yeah, the ways that we made a like how to say they are like a treasure for the bacterias and other things.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bacteria break down the
Yeah.
rubbish.
Okay. Yes.
Rubbish, but human cannot.
Human are not. Yeah.
Human just throw away the rubbish.
Yeah, of course. And the second sentence, right?
Yeah.
The second sentence says nature has its own way of cleaning up, right? Seagull, cockroach, rodent, and flies carry off their spoils and scavenging bacteria slowly break down even the hardest plastic. Okay. Then third sentence, human beings unfortunately are less dedicated to clearing up their waste, right? So don't you think this is talking about how the rubbish are valuable for the nature?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so that is the point for that paragraph, right? So now you got the point. So how would you give a phrase, or not only one word, right? You have to, the heading should be a phrase of words, right? So what phrase do you want to give for them, for that paragraph?
Rubbish is available for nature.
Okay, Ravish, sorry, can you type it in the chat box so everybody can see it, and we
Is
can.
rubbish valuable for nature?
Okay, yes. Can you type your idea in the chat box so every with everyone, not privacy. Okay, so everyone can see it. Rachel, you can type what you think. Suzanne, Miasu,
Okay.
yeah, Emery, Swan, you also you can type what your idea is.
Rubbish.
Okay, I see Rachel one, and how about others?
Wait.
Yes, the value of the value of nature. I think, Susan, you should connect to the value of nature and animals. So how would you join those words?
Twice. Wait.
Like the heading should be like a group of words, or group of words mean a phrase, right? The heading should be like a phrase or a short sentence.
What is is it like the short sentence?
Yes, you can see Rachel's idea, and also you can change your one too.
Uh,
Okay, I see Andrea one. Bacteria. Rachel, you can lend your friend's idea. Bacteria are useful for breaking down the rubbish. Only bacteria?
I mean animals.
Okay, creatures are treasure of rubbish. Creatures are treasure of rubbish, or rubbish is
no. Rubbish is the treasure of creatures.
okay. It's the treasure for some creatures, right? You better say some, everyone.
I think some animals is better.
Mm-hmm.
Because other animals are not useful, right?
Of course, of course. Some animals are useful for breaking down the rubbish. Yeah. Okay, so how about Emery? Yes, Sue? And this one?
Sure. By the way, did
Hmm.
you get the timetable for the on for us?
Sorry?
I mean timetable.
Oh, you mean the title for me?
Yeah.
My title is, I think I have already spoke it out, right? My title is almost the same to Richard's one. Richard's one. Very easy. Miss Sue. Miss Sue. Importance of animal in nature. Miss Sue, actually, we are here. Paragraph, the paragraph owners say that the nature is important, but junk food is treasure for some creatures, some animals like that. Okay, so I will send you 3 points here. Okay, the first one is
Uh,
treasure.
I know your host. I need your host.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so let's discuss about this one, right? So let's pick up main points here. The first main point is treasure. 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 Okay, the first main point is treasure. And second one, what is the second one? Second one is for some animals. We better say animals, right? Some animals. Which one? Rubbish, right? Okay, so we have got 3 points.
Rubbish is treasures. For
Okay, so
them.
by using those three words, you have to write the heading for that. I think now you have got the idea, right? So after reading that paragraph, maybe that paragraph or every paragraph, right? After reading the paragraph, you have to pick up the points, the main points in that paragraph, and after that, you have to make a heading for that. So here in this paragraph, treasure and rubbish, and for some animals. So we have got 3 points here. So how would you make a short sentence or a phrase for that paragraph?
Rubbish is treasure for some animals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. I think now you have got the idea how to make it right.
Okay.
Okay. So I am going to break up the rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, but I'm not sure for Swan. Hello, Swan, are you there? Swan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm going to do breakout room. And then Emery,
Teacher, who am I in the breakout room with?
okay, so I haven't designed yet, but I would like to ask to Emery. Hello, Emery, are you there? Emery, I think maybe Emery is busy right now. She hasn't come back yet, right? Okay. So,
3 people in one room.
hmm?
3 people in one room, right?
Oh, okay. So, Swan, Rachel, Emery, that is fine. Rachel, is it okay with to work with Swan and Emery?
Yes, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not sure for Emery because till now I cannot contact her. She hasn't replied our question, and I don't know where she is right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's do it. Only 2 breakout rooms, right? Is Indra, Suzanne, Yesu is one group, Rachel, Swan, and Emery is one group. Okay. So now let's keep on for second paragraph, third one, fourth one. Okay, only just 4. We need to write the heading for second paragraph, third and the fourth. Only you have to do it 3, right? 3 paragraphs. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so only we 5 right here. I think maybe Swan left. Okay. So whatever, we can discuss that. Yeah. Number 8, give each of the 4 paragraph an appropriate short heading to summarize its content. Okay, so Rachel, what would be your heading?
For the second one,
Yeah, for the second paragraph.
Swan and I did like neglection of nature, like because people were like how to say neglecting of the nature.
Okay.
One like that, yeah. It was one act.
Yes. Okay, so how about Indra?
Yeah.
This group? Yep.
Are you in second paragraph?
Yeah, second paragraph.
Yeah.
Your heading. The heading for your group.
Finding a better place instead of spending time and money.
Finding a better place.
A better place. Yeah.
I think it should related to the rubbish or something else.
Better.
Hello, Susan. Hello, Susan. Why you are so silent?
Oh. So, Jill, what did you ask?
Yes,
Me?
in the second paragraph,
The topic. Yeah, the heading.
The
Heading for
topic.
second topic. Second part.
percentage of
The percentage of wasting. 都陪嘛教的嘛。
Okay. Yes. Okay. Third paragraph. Third paragraph.
The paragraph
rubbish
is
found in ocean.
Garbage pads in the ocean.
Similar. Yeah.
Similar.
Okay. Similar. What is a similar? Similar.
Similar. I mean.
Okay. Almost the same. So how about the last one?
Rubbish is also harmful
for living things.
Danger of rubbish for creatures.
Okay. Good.
Similar.
Yeah.
Actually, we didn't know how to describe the topic of second paragraph.
Same. Similar.
Vale.
What?
That's similar.
Yes, similar. Okay, so now let's go to number B.
Okay.
Number B is you have to analyze the topic sentence. Well, topic sentence or topic phrase. Okay, so
Yeah. One creature's rubbish is another treasure.
Treasure? Yes, correct.
Is another treasure.
How about for second paragraph?
Excessive consumption and rapid greed have caused a meaningless of modern society worldwide.
Okay. Yeah, the first sentence, right?
Yeah.
And then how about the third paragraph?
I think you forgot to ask.
Discover floating in the Pacific Ocean.
All
You're
right.
correct, this one, yeah. So how about the third
I
one?
will repeat again.
Discover floating in the Pacific Ocean. Rubbish.
Yes.
Here is okay, discovery floating. Which one floating? Right, you can choose this the whole sentence, right?
A rubbish stem twice the size of
Twice the size of the United States has been discovered floating in the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, very easy. So the last one.
Similar.
What is it? Similar. For the last one. Rachel, what is the last one? The last one for you.
Last one. The rubbish island could could double in the size over the next decade if consumers do not cut back on their use of plastic.
Yeah. So how about other? Indra?
For that one, I underlined the rubbish island. Mammals die every year, and also they're dangerous for the human.
We highlight just that.
Yeah, only just like the phrase. Sure.
Yeah. Not similar.
Not similar here. Okay. So you highlight the second sentence, right? More than 1 million seabirds and 100
No. We just highlight like the rubbish islands and like marine mammals die every year like that. And the rubbish can be dangerous for humans. Just the phrase.
Just the phrase. Okay.
We did that important.
Okay, let me check. Oh, actually we better highlight the first sentence.
Okay.
Island could double in size over the next decade if consumers do not cut back on their use of plastics, right?
Yeah.
Because the rest of the information are explaining about the topics on it and how we should cut off the use of plastic and what we see in the seabirds, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So I'm going to give you homework.
See.
Okay.
See,
I already know
see.
that.
I already know that.
I see you
I
already.
see. Thank you. Now you see me. Okay. So number C. Number C is the summary. You have to,
Summary of writing. Oh my god.
yes, you have to
We had to summarize the full part.
It's okay.
yeah, you have to reread the whole passage and you have to rewrite summary about
So each
something.
paragraph or the whole passage?
No. Here it said reduce the passage to a one summary of about 75 for your own words, right?
Oh my gosh.
Right, you have to rewrite the summary, the whole paragraph with 75 words.
Okay.
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 Challenging one.
You better read the question very carefully. The question gives you a tip, right?
Yes.
So,
I'm ready to leave out.
and after the reading assignment,
We're not each paragraph, the whole passage.
no,
right?
the whole passage.
Passage with 75 words.
Okay.
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 Right. And the reading assignment is text 2B, the modern diet, right? And then next one is a key point. Binomial pairs. You see that one?
Oh yes.
Okay, that is also reading assignment. You have got two reading assignment. The first one is text 2B. Second one is binomial pairs. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions?
No, teacher.
No, bye-bye.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Teacher.
teacher.
Thank you,
See you
teacher.
next. Yeah, see you next.
Thank you
Nice
very
to
much
meet
for
you.
giving.
Bye.
Okay.